Joshua here, and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to go over an issue that I've been dealing with the last 2 days. So I have an ASRock motherboard, and ASRock's default RGB software is Polychrome Sync. Now Polychrome Sync has a lot of issues. It crashes a lot, doesn't work well with other programs. Updates and stuff can break it, which is exactly what I found this time. In the past, I've looked up some videos on how to fix it with other things. In the past, I've been able to go to YouTube and find some other bug fixes that people have used to help solve it. You can reflash the RGB chip, things like that usually solves it. This time it did not. I had done a Windows update, and this guy right here, KB50405527, whenever this optional quality of life update kicked in, it broke all of my ASRock software, not only Polychrome Sync, but A-Tuning, ASRock Tweak for your graphics card, restart to UEFI, all of that stopped working. So I did not know what was going on. And then finally I came across this article this morning right here. Now I did my update on the 27th, right here, the 27th, and boom, that was exactly what it was. This update is breaking Polychrome. So I went back, I uninstalled it, restarted, uninstalled the update, uninstalled Polychrome. Then I went, restarted everything, reinstalled Polychrome, left this off, and sure enough, everything is working. This is working, A-Tuning is working, UEFI, restart to UEFI is working, everything. The only problem is now is that the search button and the start menu is not working, and every time I uninstall a previously installed update for Microsoft Windows, these two things always break. I think that is maybe Microsoft's way of like making you update. I don't know. Could be many things. That's just a hunch. I'll get into that later. But if you guys are also having these same problems with Polychrome Sync, I hope this fixes it for you. And just put down in the comments any other problems you've been having with it, and maybe we'll be able to hash it out together. And as always, just be a decent human being. Joshua out.